Alright guys, another Caddy. Looks like this one's an 87 Brougham. The other one that was showed earlier was a 91. It's a 4-door. Similar color. It's a little more of a blue-gray. It's got the red pinstripes. A little bit more original than the other one. It doesn't look like it had a paint job. Still in pretty decent shape. Looks like the hardtop probably needs a good cleaning, but overall a nice car. It's like original interior. Nice floor mats. Got the really big seats in the back. Original wheels. Looks like this is pretty much an original car. Nothing that anyone's gonna go crazy over, but it's still a nice car for the era. All of these Broughams kind of were the same in this era, but like they never fail you. So that's a nice example of the era. Nothing too crazy, but nice piece for the year.